Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently from phone. For doing that, open your any of browser and type here in Google search bar studio.youtube.com. After typing studio.youtube.com in browser, hit enter. So first you need to check here which YouTube channel you want to delete. So first let's select the channel we want to delete. For doing that, click on profile icon. Now tap on switch account. And here you can select the channel you want to delete. Channel is selected now. Now here you will find an option of settings. Tap on it. And here tap on channel. Now tap on advanced settings. Now scroll down. And here is an option manage YouTube account. Tap on it. Now type here view advanced settings. And here we got the option delete channel. Tap on delete channel. And here you will have to add your password. After adding the password, let's tap on next. And here we got two options. From first option you can hide your channel from YouTube, and from second option you can delete your channel permanently. So right now we are going to delete our YouTube channel. So tap on second option, I want to permanently delete my content. Now here tick mark on permanently delete and tick mark here also, and now tap on delete my content. Now it's asking for final confirmation. So here you have to add your Gmail account. With that you have created your YouTube channel. So after adding your Gmail, tap on delete my content. So finally you have deleted your channel and it will be permanently removed in few minutes. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.